The processing technology of large-scale soybean oil production line equipment is divided into pressing technology and leaching technology. The difference between these two processing technologies will also lead to different soybean oil produced. The specific process to be used needs to be considered based on the number of soybeans you process every day. One pressing process, retain the original flavor pressing, is a traditional soybean oil extraction process that extracts the oil from soybeans through mechanical pressing. The following are the advantages of the pressing process. 1. Retaining nutrients. The pressing process does not use solvents when extracting soybean oil, so it can better retain various nutrients in soybean oil, such as fatty acids, phospholipids, carotene, and vitamin E, to maintain pure taste. Compared with the leaching process, the soybean oil extracted by the pressing process is purer and more delicious. It can maintain the original flavor and bring a better taste experience to cooking. 2. Leaching process. Efficiently extract soybean oil. Leaching is a modern soybean oil extraction process that obtains soybean oil through solvent leaching. The following are the advantages of the leaching process. 1. Efficient extraction. The leaching process can more fully extract the oil in soybeans, with higher extraction rate and higher utilization rate. 2. Simple process control. Compared with the pressing process, the leaching process is relatively simple to